I think it saves you time and money. You know, if you know what you need and you're dialed in and you do your testing and you enter the correct information into the Aggrespec, you're going to get what you're asking from it. I was hesitant at first because I didn't know it, but now I want to teach it to the new guys over at the other plant. As far as dialing in the mix designs, you can't ask for more. We can leave it unattended for a long time without having to worry about what to change or what to test or what to do. What I'm used to is like the old dial split. This, with the programming, it makes it a whole lot easier. We're able to switch materials on any given time, any given day, and make different products. We have, you know, over 45 customers, and they all require something a little bit different. Something else we can do is we can program in what we want to make based on our sieve analysis through the classifying tank. Aggrespec will, I guess it's a smart system, so it will remember that, it will learn that, and then it will make what we tell it to. So what we've done is we've dialed in 3 or 4 different recipes that we like, and depending on where we are on the pond, we can tell it to make this product or that product, and then it will make it on all 3 screws. Kemper, they are a supplier of our heavy equipment, beginning to end, turnkey operation. We tell them what we want, they'll provide us with what they think will best suit our needs. They were here from beginning to end helping us out, and they have given us technical support all the way through, even to today. From the technical side to the mechanical side, whenever we've got issues, if they can't answer us, they'll get the next guy to call us or answer us, and then they come out here and follow up. You're not guessing as much anymore. And it's doing the gradations for you. Like right there you can see on the program, it's 2.7 FM or 2.6 FM, or it's really high, really low. So we're able to make adjustments daily as we need.